What's up, y'all? This is Rosa back with another video. So I am doing a um, unboxing video. This is the unboxing video. So this is from 310 uh 310 starter kit. So let's get into this video, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell to be notified when I drop the video. I know I was doing videos today. I did a premiere video. I showed y'all a little bit what I got from the store on live. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Click on that bell to be notified when I bring y'all guys a video. So let's get into this unboxing video, you guys. So this is how the box looks. They got the little words, the little design. I ain't gonna show y'all my address. But this is the unboxing video. I ordered this like the beginning of September, and it just came like what was it? The other day it came. So I kept seeing it on Facebook. I'm like, oh, it helps you lose weight, this and that, because y'all know I'm about to do my weight loss journey or whatever. So I'm about to do the surgery for that. So I was like, I'll give it a go, try the kit out or whatever. So this is my review on this 310 Nutrition Starter Kit, and I will leave everything down in the description box below. But it say join the community, join the 310 Community Nutrition. You can reach them at 310nutritions.com/community. Connect with others, ask questions, and discover recipes. It's a 310 community. Welcome to a healthier you. We are thrilled to have you as a part of the 310 family. Follow these simple steps to ensure you make the best tasting shakes with the cremis texture. I think I'm saying it right. It says start with 310 shakes. Add your fruits and vegetables. Basically, add your favorite fruits and vegetables. Add milk alternative, or water. So you could substitute it for water. This is my first time, trying this out. And this is a starter kit. I paid $9 for the starter kit, but it's free. It's free, but you basically paying for shipping and handling. Shipping and handling. And I can't talk today, you guys. So they give you a nice little packet or whatever. It's a 310s, a fresh start, getting the most out of your starter kit. So you get shakes, teas, like detox teas. It's a find your favorite flavors and embellish a routine. Abolish a routine. Discover recipes and success stories. Refer friends and earn rewards. So, like, you know what I'm saying? If I refer somebody, you guys, they will give me an award, like points and stuff like that. It say, don't stop here. Keep it going. Your $10 gift card was sent via email. It protects your purchase full-size products to continue your journey towards a better you. So they give you a $10 gift card. So the next time you order, you put your gift card on there, and then it takes some money off of there. Your starter kit was created for you to easily to try out our most popular 310 products. Once you have your favorite use your $10 gift card on our website. So you can go to their website at 310nutritionist.com/community, or this 310, just type in 310 on the Google app. It say "in this together," so we is in this together. You can also find them on Facebook at 310 nutritionist, and yeah, you get reward points and all that, gift cards and stuff like that, etc., etc. It say text earn to 29071 to get started. So you text that number. You text this number, you guys, to get started. You see it? Ooh. Text that number. So I paid $9, and it was like an $8 shipping and handling. So I paid for this cup. This cup was $2. So you get the cup. I thought that was cute. I was like, I need me a cup to drink this shake, even though you can drink out of a regular cup. But I wanted to try the whole package deal to see, you know what I'm saying, if I like it or whatever. I'm gonna start trying it in the morning. It's a 310 cup. I picked pink. I think they got white, clear. You can go on their website and look on there. So yeah, I got that. The cup. 310 cup. That's cute. This is the shipping bill to me. I paid $10.99 total, but they charge the shaker. It say the shakers, the mini pink shaker was included. That's why my amount was $10.99, and all together I paid $15.98. Cause like I said, they charge for the shipping. So this the box it come in like this. Okay, and then this the little package. Oh, that's so cute. The little package or whatever. Come in a little package. No, this is not sponsored, you guys. So I wish I could sponsor some people. You feel me? So you get a little starter kit for $9. You just pay for the shipping. I like this little bag. I'm gonna keep this bag. You feel me? It got 310 on there. Put that in my little box. So this is what all you get. I thought you get more teas than that. You get 2 teas. This is the cherry lime lemonade dietary supplement, and they gave me mixed berry flavored juice, dietary supplement. So this like a supplement. See, you get 2 of these, and then the shakes. The shake is I picked vanilla, so you get a vanilla shake. Vanilla. And then sauteed caramel. I don't know about that. It's organic, vegan. They are organic and vegan. That's the sauteed caramel. And it's 110 calories per serving. Serving size, 1 packet. 1 service per container. And then, like, you know what I'm saying, if you got a blender, just get your blender, mix it in, put some ice in there. You put your fruit in there and add milk. I probably add milk instead of water, but I might try both and let y'all know how I like it. So this is 310. This is a meal replacement shake, organic and vegan. So this is the chocolate. This is a chocolate. So you get three things of shakes, 2 of these, and then they also give you the 310 detox tea, HIBISCUS. It's blend of natural ingredients. So this is how this look. I wonder how it look in there. I don't want to open it. I'm gonna open it and see how it look. The tea. So the tea smell good. This how the tea look. It's supposed to detox your body, clean it out. Y'all see that? So that's what they look. And you get this one. You get how many tea bags? You get 1, 2, 3. You get 3 tea bags, and that's how it's looking in. They get 3 tea bags. So yeah, this is my review on it. Like I said, it take a long time to come in the mail. So this all you get. This the tea, and the 3 shakes. Yeah, if they can hold that right. The 3 shakes, the tea, and you get 2 of these for $9. And I paid for the cup. So I will let y'all know how this goes. I'm gonna start this tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna start on this tomorrow. Cause I be wanting to eat breakfast, so you know, hope this will help me out. So if you want to get this to try, you guys, like I said, I'll try anything, you know what I'm saying, to lose weight. And so I heard a lot of good reviews on this. I even did reviews on YouTube, and people said they liked it. Some people said they didn't like it, so I was like, I'll give it a try myself and see if I like it. You know what I'm saying? It don't matter if I don't like it or not. I just want, you know, to, you know, try this out. I wanted to try it out, and I'm trying to lose this weight or whatever. So yeah, so I wanted to show y'all what your girl gonna be doing, and I'm still gonna be quitting smoking. And they give you a little, what's this? A sustainment facts paper. They give you that. So yeah, you guys, go try them out. You know, if you're trying to lose weight, you know what I'm saying, you go refer your friends, earn money and stuff like that. Then go check out 310 Nutritionist. You can go on their website at 310nutritionist.com/community. And try these guys out. And I'm definitely going to be ordering me some more. You get a bigger shaker. They like $30 for the bigger one, but that's just a starter kit to try it out for free. You pay the $9 or whatever.